So the key to our life, I would say, is true relationship. True relationship. But we all know we can have relationships that are very superficial, or we can have relationships that are very deep and meaningful. What do you think a true relationship looks like? I mean, what do you think the ideal in God's mind is for relationships? Throw something out. Union. What do you think we celebrate every day when we go to Mass? Communion. What does communion mean? Let's break it down. What does communion mean? Common union. And deep union. Total union. Community. See that word? Comm? Community in union. That's what we're celebrating. So when God thinks of relationship, he's thinking of communion. He's thinking of unity. He's thinking of heart-to-heart relationships. Isn't that what you want? Like, don't you want that with even your classmates? You see, these skills, we often just get caught up in marriage, but the skills of relationship that you need in marriage and family begin right here at St. Therese every single day. And then wherever you go from here, you'll be in relationship. If you can learn the skills of true relationship, true loving relationship, you can change the world. You can be transformed, and you can be an instrument of the transformation of others. But most people, we spend time we study math and we study English and we don't study the most important thing in the world is our relationship with God, with each other, and even our relationship with ourselves. So are we willing to grow in the skills of loving relationship? It's almost like Jesus is presenting us with that question. Answer him in your own heart. Are you willing? That's all he looks for. That's all our Father looks for is willingness. Are you willing to grow in the skills of loving relationship with God, yourself, and others for the rest of your life? That's what saints do. That's the difference between saints and everybody else. The saints keep practicing.